Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting essential tools in place and then acting immediately. Install Visual Studio Code and your language runtime and open the project folder in code. Once done, initialize Git and add a README so your work is tracked. Create one entry file, index, JS, main, py, or main. Go and define a single start command. Make sure to save and run a quick print or log to confirm the runtime works. This validates the environment before you add complexity. You now configure the editor to work for you, not against you. Install the language extension, linter, and debugger so errors, suggestions, and breakpoints appear as you type. Once configured, create workspace settings plus launch. JSON and tasks. JSON to standardize builds and debug launches across machines. Make sure to add formatters and code snippets to reduce boilerplate and bind keys for frequent commands. This setup reduces friction, so you spend time coding logic instead of you finish by running and validating your code, then solving any issues. Start the app with your debug profile or terminal command and run a couple of unit tests to confirm behavior. Once tests pass, iterate on features. If something fails, set breakout breakpoints, inspect variables, and read the problem's pain. Combine that with targeted console logs to triangulate faults. If you still get stuck, restart the editor, disable recent extensions, and reproduce the bug in isolation. This isolates causes fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.